Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Cakes by Naz channel. Hope you all are well. Today I'm making this chocolate drip. For this drip I use dark chocolate and double cream. It doesn't matter where you buy your chocolates from. It can be chips or bar, but I like to use chips because they are easier to melt. In here I'm using a dark chocolate bar. I'm breaking a bar into small pieces. Then add the cream in it, and I heat my chocolate and cream in microwave for about 1 minute or until I can see some steam rising up. I allow it sit for a minute before stirring so that it could be melt a bit more. Then stir until the mixture goes silky and smooth. Then add a little bit milk inside to make a perfect drip, and keep checking. If it looks too thick, add a bit more milk in. There are lots of different ways you can apply a chocolate drip on the cake. You can use a piping bag, a plastic bottle, or even a spoon, but I like to use piping bag. Make sure your cake is chilled in the fridge for about 20 minutes before applying your drip. And that's it, my drip is ready. This is how I made my drip cakes, and good luck with your drip cakes too. If you have any questions about this drip or my cakes, write in the comments below. I will try my best to answer all of your questions and help you as much as I can.